Hi there. Do you know that green onions are not only delicious but also super easy to grow at home? In today's video, I shall show you step by step how to grow your own green onion right in your backyard. First thing first, choose a sunny spot in your garden with well draining soil for your green onion bed. To prepare the soil, loosen it up and remove any weeds or rocks that might hinder the growth of your onions. When it comes to planting, simply take your green onion bulbs and bury them about 1 inch deep in the soil, making sure space them apart. Keep your green onion bed moist by watering them regularly, but make sure not to overwater as it can lead to root rot. One great tip to minimize pests and diseases is companion plant your green onions with herbs like rosemary or thyme. Speaking of pests, keep an eye out for onion flies and thrips as they can cause damage to your crop. If you notice any signs of pests, consider using organic insecticides or companion planting with marigold flowers as they deter pests. As your green onion grow, you can also provide them with a light application of organic fertilizer to help them thrive. Once your green onions have reached a desirable size, you can start harvesting them by gently pulling them out of the soil. Green onions are versatile and can be used in various dishes, from salad to stir fries, adding a fresh, flavorful kick to your meals. So go ahead and give it a try. Growing your own green onions is not only rewarding but also a great way to save money. If you enjoyed learning about growing green onions, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy growing!